and I will definitely share the materials with my colleagues as soon as you send it to me. Thank you so much. It was very interesting.
Thank you so
Next mantra, Om Suryaye Namaha.
And I also like to request Anurag Hajarika to felicitate our today's trainer, the additional trainer, Hirarani Lakar.
As well, who will be performing yoga. The same head of the institution, principal of Tezpur College, Dr. Manoj Kumar Hazarika.
Sanjanana Upasate Sanjanana Upasate. All of you rub your palms. Place it on your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Now open your eyes. Move your hands slowly. Today's session is start with, actually the theme is that yoga for physical strength and flexibility. 1, 2, go back, Hasta Uttanasana. Next 3, Padahastasana. Next 4, Aswachancha. Right leg back, look up. Next is Dandasana. Look like stick position. Next, Ardha Mukha Savasana. Next, Bhujangasana, which is known as we have to complete. Next mantra. Om Suryaye Namaha. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again start with fourth mantra. Om Dhanave Namaha. And Surya Namaskar is benefit for morning practice also. It's benefited for morning. So again, our first session, first topic is finished. So we relax ourselves. When we're doing 12 times now we relax ourselves with an yogic practice which is known as Savasana. We look like a dead body. So first lie down and then stretch your legs. Then again you stretch your leg and they're gapping between the hands, palms upside. Now relax yourself like and you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your knees should be straight. Don't bend your knees. And it look like a triangle. Yes. And triangle asana is known. All of you relax now. Relax. Now up. Move your body up. Again, legs should be joined. Yes. Now stand properly. Triangle, Trikonasana is very helpful for our flexibility. It increases our flexibility. All of you relax for some time. Should be happy. Everyone, we should have to make a brotherhood relationship with toes. Moving your toes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So much.
Yeah. So we'll be very happy if anyone gives some verbal feedbacks for today's workshop. And I would like to request all the participants, those who are participate from different country, Ukraine and USA, I'd like to request them to open their camera from the next time so that they can practice properly. And I also like to request Anurag Hajarika to felicitate our today's trainer, the additional trainer, Hirarani Lakar. So traditional here, the Gamusa.
Thank you for this fruitful session and for the
We will continue our session tomorrow at the same time. Tomorrow will be day 3. And I hope we'll send the notes today via email to Ruslan sir, and it can be distributed. So I hope everything was fine today. We're hoping for some good feedbacks from your side.
Thank you so much, and I will definitely share the materials with my colleagues as soon as you send it to me. Thank you so much. It was very interesting.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was wonderful meeting all of you. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.